Hi, welcome to this tutorial on exercise 4C. Today we are going to solve question number 4, and in this question you can see that we have to factorize each of the following expression completely. Let's go to these questions. In the first part of the question number 4, that is 12x minus 9. So as I've told you that whenever we have to factorize, we have to see, first thing that we have to see is either we can determine the common between these numbers, and we can see that 12x minus 9, and the common in these two numbers is the common table, that is 3, because 12 is also divisible by 3 and 9 is also divisible by 3, so 3 is common. 3, and then you write the bracket and divide the first number with the common. 12 is divided by 3, we get the answer 4, so therefore we write 4 and x over here, then minus sign, and again divide the second term with the common and write the answer over here. So you can see that we have factorized this 12x minus 9 into 3 bracket start 4x minus 3, and whenever we multiply this answer, we will get the question back. If we don't get this question back, it's mean there is something mistake, and we have to check that mistake also. Now in B part you can see that minus 25y minus 35, so we have to take the common. 5 is the common because 25 and 35, both these numbers are divisible by 5, so we write 5 as common and then divide this 25 with 5, and we get the answer minus 5y, and then again this minus sign, and 35 is divided by 5 to get 7. So this is how we factorize this algebraic expression. In part C, 27b minus 36by, so we have to take the common. 27 and 36 both are divisible by smaller tables also, but the bigger number, we will take the bigger table as the common, like the maximum number on which both of these numbers are divided are 9, so 9 is the common between 27 and 36. Then we will see the variables. Here is 27b and 36by. It's mean b is also common, so we will write the table, common table between these two numbers, as well as the variable which is present in both of these numbers. So 9b is the common, and then divide this first number 27b with 9b, and we'll get 3, because b has gone into the common, so we will not write it inside the bracket. Then minus sign over here, and 36 divided by 9, we will get the answer 4, and again b is written over outside of the bracket, so the only thing that we have to write inside is the y, so 4y will remain inside of the bracket. So 9b bracket start 3 minus 4y, and if we multiply this 9b with 3, we will get 27b, then minus, and 9b multiplied with 4y will get 36by. In the D part, 8ax plus 12a minus 4az, so 8, 12 and 4, all these three numbers are divided by the table 4, so we'll write 4 as a common along with the variable a, because a is present in all these three terms, so 4a is the common, and then we divide this 8ax with 4a, so 4 2s are 8, and then a is written in the common, so we will not write it inside of the bracket, only x will be written over here, then plus sign, and then again 4 3s are 12, a is written in the common, so we will not write over here, then minus, and again 4 1s are 4, so you can skip writing this 4, and then a is written in bracket, so only z will be written over here. And in the E part, we have 4m minus 6my minus 18mz. Here the common number is, the common table is 2, and then m. So 2m is the common, and then divide this 4m with 2m, will get 2, then minus and 6my divided by 2m, the answer is 3y, and minus 18mz divided by 2m, the answer is 9z. So in this way you can factorize various algebraic expression by simply taking the common and writing it in this form. Stay tuned for more tutorials on D1, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment.